A white car that has pulled into the emergency lanes as well. Now this guy's back into traffic. Heavy traffic, southbound 405. In and out of traffic all over lanes. 405 back to the emergency shoulder right now. Almost clips that car. Southbound 405 freeway at Mulholland. He may be forced to exit here at Wilshire. No, he almost sideswiped that car. He did. He sideswiped the van. Okay, he's going to have to get off at Wilshire, but there's nowhere to go on Wilshire right now. There's construction up ahead, right at about Federal, so he's going to make a right turn here and be stuck almost in dead stop traffic, and he hits that car right there. Hits another one. Bumper cars. Into the heart of Westwood right now. He got off at the VA. Right now, nothing but heavy traffic. He's got no option, and it looks like he gets very close to that bus, and now he's squeezed in between the Jaguar. The bus hits the Jaguar, and look at him grinding that pickup truck right now, forcing his way through. He hits the bus and the pickup. Lots of pedestrians right there, Chris. Keep an eye on him. He's going to hit that car. He's pushing that car through. And there's officers right there with their guns drawn. They're telling him to stop the car. There's officers right behind him. And he's saying, these guys, this may not be over right now. The officers have their guns drawn. And the guy gets out now. You can see officers get on him right now.
Okay. Is he going to turn? Nope, we're still on 77. Okay, look at, he's fishtailing.
Here we go.
Fishtailing, here it goes. He's going to wreck. There he goes. He's going to wreck right there.
Fires, triggering a wild chain reaction. The impact spins the stolen car into a violent collision with a vehicle in the next lane, which then hits a third. Let's watch again as the stolen car careers out of control and slams into the other driver. Amazingly, no one is hurt. The pursuit continues as the suspect runs from the car, but his escape route is cut off. He's hit by the patrol car. Then a plainclothes officer tackles the suspect to the ground.
¿Cuánto es? ¿De cuánto es?
250, parce. Pues, o sea, sí, o sea, no es que sea la gran cosa, pero pues para empezar está bien.
¿Una vueltica?
No, pues ya veremos, parce, ya veremos, ya. Ay, parce, usted ni siquiera sabe conducir moto.
Pero miramos.
Sí, claro.
Huevón, mi moto. Marica, veamos el carro.
Bueno, ¿qué hubo? Ayudemos a ese man entonces. Corra, cuidado. Puta. Ábrase, huevón, ábrase, huevón, ábrase, huevón.
Pero camine.
Puta, marica.